Jessica and Antoinette, good afternoon. For Trooper Proctor, today's hearing could mean a longer suspension without pay. It could also lead to termination. Regardless, it is not clear what implication this could have on Karen Read's next murder trial.
She's a whack job. Yes, she's a babe. Weird Fall River accent, though.
Those are just some of the disparaging text messages State Trooper Michael Proctor admits to writing to friends, family, and fellow troopers about accused killer Karen Read. He was the lead investigator in the death of her boyfriend, Boston police officer John O'Keefe. In one text message, Proctor writes to his sister that he hopes Karen Read kills herself. On the witness stand during Read's murder trial, Proctor offered this apology.
The rest of the unprofessional and regrettable comments are something I'm not proud of.
Proctor also admits not initially disclosing his connection to some of the witnesses in the case. As soon as Judge Beverly Cannoni declared a mistrial in July due to a hung jury, state police, then led by Acting Colonel Jack Mon, took action, suspending Proctor without pay.
We wanted to make sure we took appropriate and decisive action when we had as much information that would allow us to do that, and we did.
Now comes a trial board, likely the final step in the disciplinary process. It's similar to a civil trial. The proceeding happens behind closed doors. Any recommendations from the board would need the approval of the new colonel, Jeffrey Noble. Todd McGee is a retired trooper.
You could see anywhere from an extended suspension without pay all the way up to termination. So there's a lot going on. It depends on how many charges that have been identified as violations of the public policy and procedure. Each of those violations will be presented, and Trooper Proctor will have that opportunity to be able to defend himself.
It is unclear when any decision will be made public, but it is possible that state police may make an announcement later today. Reporting live at State Police General Headquarters in Framingham, Todd Keskevich, WCVB News Center 5.